Hi everyone, my name's Luxley and this is
Hillary.
And just gonna, I guess, teach you guys some Chinese. Slowly, right?
Okay.
She's very quiet, I'm sorry. So I've been in China now for 3 years and I figured it's about time I share some of what I know with you. And she is going to help, right?
Huh?
You're going to help.
Oh.
Yes. So first we're going to learn how to say hello in Chinese. We're going to learn how to say hello to general people you see on the street, how to say hello to your good friend, how to say hello if it's morning, nighttime, because there's all different kind of ways to say hello. So first, how do you say hello in Chinese?
你好
One more time.
你好 Luxley.
你好.
Yes.
Like that? Okay, so now you try. One more time.
穿什么
Tell them one more time. 你好.
你好
Ni hao. That's hello, just normal hello. So if you see people in the street, right?
Yes.
You say ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. Yeah?
Oh.
Okay. What about if it's very early in the morning? How do you say hello in the morning?
早上好
So that is like, I guess it's like good morning, really. 早上好.
Yes.
And do you say that to everybody or just strangers, people you don't know? Everybody?
大家好
Oh, okay. Well, that's another one, actually. That's how to say hello, everyone. 大家好. Yeah?
Yes.
One more time.
大家好
大家好. Okay, that's hello, everybody. Like if you're in a classroom or work or you go somewhere where there's a lot of people and you want to say hello to everyone. 大家好.
Yes.
Okay.
Very good.
What about if it's your mum and dad? Is it different or the same? Different or the same? Yeah, the same? Or
Yeah.
yeah? Okay, what about if it's your good friend? The same? Can you say, hey?
Yeah. 一样就不会说你好这样的就直接爸爸
So she's saying if it's your good friend, you wouldn't really say ni hao. You would just hug them. So you can't say hello to your friend? How do you say hello to your friend?
他说哇哦好久不见
Oh, wow is English, right?
那就 No
No?
哇 Wow 有一个中文的字
Oh, so Chinese has wow too, but it's not wow, right? It's
哇
wow. So if it's your good friend, you can say wow. And then
好久不见
which means long time no see. 好久不见. Did you know that long time no see actually originates from the Chinese language and we've translated it back to English? Because actually, if you think about it, long and then time and then no and then see, it doesn't make sense in English, really. It's been a long time since I last saw you would make sense, but long time no see comes from Chinese. So if it's your good friend and you haven't seen them for a long time, you can say...
好久不见
You don't have to sing, right? You can say 好久不见. Okay. Is there any other way to say hello? Any other way to say hello? Like morning, nighttime, long time no
早
see.
上好中午好晚上好
中午好. That means
Yes.
like good day?
No
No? I guess you say that if it's around this time, about lunchtime. 中
午好
One more time.
就是早上 Good morning 是上午早上好那是早上然后
In the morning, 早上好.
下午
Afternoon
就是下午好
下午好. Oh, 下午好.
晚上是 evening 就是晚上好
Oh, and in the evening, you could say 晚
晚
上
上好
好.
Yes
Okay. No more for hello? Oh,
yeah.
what about if it's somebody very old? Is the same?
就是好久不见
No. It's an old person, old man, old woman. Older than you, very old. The same?
也是可以说你好您好这个你好不一样那个不仅是对 old man 就是尊敬一点就是比你的比如说我是圈君我是老人就是辈分高中国有那个辈分
So what she's saying basically is if there's someone higher in status than you, for example, an old person or maybe the boss or a leader or someone higher kind of in the status, if you know what I mean. Not like your peer, not your friend. Someone you should respect a little bit more. You could say 您好, which is
您好
which is not 你好.
你好您好
你好 and then 您好. So N-I-N sound. 您好.
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, thank you very much, Hilary.
You're welcome.
And I think that will conclude the first video on this channel. Next time we're gonna talk about what? Next time?
I don't know.
Okay, we don't know yet. So this time is just how to say hello. Next time, I guess you can comment or something and tell us what you want to know, and we will tell you. Maybe next week we'll let you see another video about learning something in Chinese. Okay, for now, bye bye.
拜拜，再见。
Oh yeah, 再见 is bye bye. 再见。
再见，
Oh.
拜拜。
Bye bye.